Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to flip your photo in Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But we're just gonna say one more thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into that. Firstly, as you can see, I'm on the main page here. Here we can do all sort of things, but we're just gonna focus on one thing today. We're gonna click on the blue icon called photo editor at the top. Click on that. Here we have to choose a photo for us to edit. I'm gonna choose this random one. Here we have these buttons at the bottom. They're all different buttons, they all do different things, but now we're gonna go with crop. After that, let's click on rotate. And here we have these flip horizontal or flip vertical buttons. If you click on it, it flips it horizontally, vertically. You can play with it as much as you would like. You can do it multiple times. You can do whatever you would like with it. So yeah, that's it guys. See you in the next one.